Hey there friends, it's me, Learning Leo. Are you up for an adventure today? Come on, let's drive around and see what we can find. Today, we'll be learning about the metric system. Do you know what that is? Have you heard about it before? The metric system is what most of the world uses to measure important things like length, distance, weight, or volume. These measurements let us know how far, how heavy, or how much something is. It is called the metric system because it's based on the number 10. This means the measurements in the metric system were based on a scale of the number 10 and its multiples, like 1, 100, 1,000, even 10,000. Imagine 10 blocks, just like the kinds you play with. When you combine 10 sets of 10 blocks, it becomes 100. 10 of those are 1,000. Things like the metric system help people describe, measure, and quantify the world around them in a way that they can compare. For distance, we use meters as our basic unit. That's about this long. Here, let me show you. We measure distance or length using the meter. Here's a meter stick. It is exactly 1 meter long. Look at how it is divided into smaller and smaller sizes of tenths as well. That's right, the metric system lets us measure smaller and bigger things based on this one unit. Look how long a meter is compared to me and the tree. Weight, or how heavy something is measured in grams. You can use a weighing scale in your home to find out your own weight. It will tell you in how many 1,000 grams or kilograms you are if it uses the metric system. We also use grams to measure how heavy fruit and vegetables we buy are when we go to the market. Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. It's sort of like the size of an object, like height, but all around. If the item is hollow, volume talks about how much water it can hold. When we measure liquids as well, we describe their volume. And to do this, we use the liter. The metric system is special because it uses special language to talk about smaller or larger quantities, all based on the standard units of the meter, gram, and liter. Instead of remembering how many zeros there are in each multiple of 10 for what we are measuring, we can describe it by using special prefixes or descriptions at the beginning of words, combined with the basic units. These special prefixes are kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli. They sound kind of funny, I know, but they're really super neat. Kilo, hecto, and deca describe larger quantities. Kilo means 1,000 times the basic unit. Hecto means 100 times the basic unit. And deca means 10 times the basic unit. So we can say a kilometer is 1,000 meters. How would we describe something that weighs 1,000 grams? That's right, a kilogram. Deci, centi, and milli are used to describe smaller quantities than the basic unit. Deci means 1/10 of the basic unit. Centi means 1/100th of the basic unit. And milli means 1/1000th of the basic unit. So, we can describe 1/100th of my meter stick here, these little lines, as centimeters. What would we call 1/1000th of a liter of water? Correct! A milliliter. It can be tricky to remember these prefixes, but I'll teach you a fun trick to memorizing them. Think of kilo, hecto, deca, basic unit, deci, centi, and milli as one order. Get the first letters of each: K, H, D, B, D, C, and M. Now, just remember this phrase instead. Kitchens have delightful brown dragons carrying mushrooms. If you can remember kitchens have delightful brown dragons carrying mushrooms, you can quickly remember the names and order of the prefixes of the metric system. Well, that sure was a fun lesson today. One of my favorite things about math is how it teaches us to understand the world around us. When I drink my morning glass of milk, I can describe how much in milliliters to my friends. When I grow taller, I can measure it in centimeters and compare it to my siblings. When I go to the grocery and buy a nice big juicy apple, I can measure its weight in grams. The metric system is something we all need to know so we can communicate with each other better and learn about the world even faster. Looks like I made it home. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for coming with me on another episode of Ride Along Learning. If you like this video and want to watch more episodes of Ride Along Learning, don't forget to subscribe to I Am Learning and click the notification bell. You can ask an adult to help you if you don't know how. I hope to see you next time, friend. I'm Learning Leo. Have an amazing day! Hello? How much? How much? About how much? A milliliter.